Hit.
If I get him through the window, that'd be awesome.
There's somebody by the house over there in the corner.
Yep.
You got you?
You got me. That was done.
You got him?
Yeah.
Want to move over there?
Got a call on it anyway. I don't know how to go with this side. Honestly, I think we probably don't see anybody.
Alright.
You wanna go right?
Yeah. Move to this house first and then.
Oh, we got a guy behind the gray bunker, but you got this one.
Great bunker.
Yeah, far away though.
Okay.
Like 2 houses, 3 houses away. Alright, it looks clear. Whoa, 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 never mind, hold on. Gray bunker's got some reach. Go, go, go.
Covering me?
Yeah. I see him. Get down, get down.
Where is he? In the woods?
There's a guy in the woods too, yeah. Can't see the woods, there's someone in there. I can't see where he's from.
Take this.
Alright, there's someone in the woods, but I don't know where in the woods. But
Go back in.
if you want to run to the next house, you can make it.
Come back, Tony, go back in.
Hit!
You got hit?
Yeah. Turned around, I got hit on overtension there. Anybody have any response, I guess?
Sorry.
Right?
I see his head.
Where?
Oh, never mind, he just took it. Man, watch the woods, there's a guy there.
I know there is.
Hey, I want to get out. I want to get to that building so bad.
Which one?
That one right there.
Right there?
Yeah.
I got nothing. I see him right behind the tree, right behind the tree. Watch out, watch out, watch
Look at
out.
my gun. Which house?
He's in the tree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, someone needs to go to the right color. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Go, go, go.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
No, no, no. They're in the woods good somewhere. Yeah. Yo, where are they? Ooh.
Get back, get back. I don't see him. Where you going?
This house
The
over
house?
there. Yeah.
Come on, come on.
To my knowledge, you got everyone else in the woods, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Where the hell did that come from?
From behind. What's he shooting at it?
I didn't even watch him. I don't know, wasn't watching him. I definitely got hit.